powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Genesis 2S 435. Right off the bat, the Nexgrill is way more portable. It's a tabletop grill.
Yeah, the Weber is a full-sized grill. Definitely not something you're lugging around to a tailgate. It weighs like 176 pounds.
Exactly. The Nexgrill is only 28.7 pounds, but that size difference also means a huge difference in cooking space. The Nexgrill has 263 square inches.
And the Weber? A whopping 646 square inches. Plus, it has a warming rack, so technically, it's more like 844. You could cook for a whole party on that thing.
True. The Nexgrill is better for small gatherings, maybe a family of 4, but the Weber has 4 burners, plus a side burner and a sear station? That's serious grilling power.
It's got a 69,000 BTU output compared to the Nexgrill's 13,500. No competition there. But, the Nexgrill does have a 2-in-1 griddle and grill, which is kinda cool. Versatility is a plus.
Good point. And it's way cheaper at around $180. The Weber, well, it's currently unavailable, but when it was significantly more expensive.
Yeah, you're paying for the Weber name and the features. It also boasts a 10-year warranty. The Nexgrill doesn't specify the warranty length in the data.
Another thing is the build. The Weber has stainless steel rod cooking grates, which are supposed to be really good at heat retention. The Nexgrill has cast iron grates.
Both are good, but stainless steel is generally easier to clean, I think. And the Weber is iGrill 3 compatible, so you can monitor your food with a thermometer.
Oh, fancy. The Nexgrill just has a built-in temperature gauge on the lid. Simple, but effective.
So basically, the Nexgrill is a portable, affordable option for smaller groups, while the Weber is a high-performance, full-size grill for serious grill masters.
Pretty much. Depends on what you need and how much you're willing to spend. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.